Welcome to the channel, guys and girls. Today we are here on Route 94 in Wythe County, Virginia. We are fishing for trout, and it's raining pretty hard. So we're going to try to stay as dry as we can, try to catch as many fish as we can, have a good time. So stick around, stay tuned, and we'll see what we can do today. Oh, he popped off. Dadgummit, guys. We had us one. Now all we got ourselves is a daggum tree here. Alright, guys and girls, we've been here for about 30 minutes fishing around here in the rain. We've hooked up that one fish right off the get-go and he popped off. I've been kind of soaking some fire bait right here. No bites, so give it a couple more minutes and we're going to head on down to my favorite hole and probably drift a black and green trout magnet, maybe a couple other colors, maybe even some Pautzke eggs. But stick around, stay tuned. We're going to try to go down, catch us a fish here in a second. And maybe we can get us one in. I've seen probably 20 trucks drive by. So this little spot, even though it's raining, they are absolutely hammering this little spot right here. So stick around, stay tuned, see what we can catch. And see you then. There he is. Pretty little rainbow. Oh yeah. Calm down, little buddy. We're gonna get you off. Yes, we are. Don't believe me, do you? I ain't got a stringer. I ain't gonna keep you, don't worry. Beautiful little trout. So weird. There's one. Good one. Daggone good one. Oh, jump. Took a bobber off and started jigging that trout magnet around. That old black and green color. And this one just had to have it. Let's sail her right on into the net here. Hope you guys can see her from all this rain. Wipe you off just to make sure. Popped right on off. There she is. Gorgeous little fat fish there. Perfect little pan size fish. There she goes. The way this water's murkying up, I might have to go with a little bit brighter of a color myself. Maybe a yellow. Something. That's what we'll try out here, is a little yellow one. All right, Mr. Biggin, come on. Take that old trout magnet. We'll drift it right in front of him here. Get it? Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, little beauty. Poor little guy ain't got a fin one on him. This poor little fish has had a long road to hoe. He ain't got a single fin. Ugly little baby. Poor guy. Let's let him go. There he goes. Heck yeah. Well, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this quick little fishing video here in the rain, make sure you smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And leave us a comment if you feel like it. Let us know where you'd like to see us fish next. We got rained out here, but we caught 3 fish, so pretty good day. Till next time, boys and girls, tight lines.